Alrighty, so I have fixed the header latch motor on my car. It is right here. It moves this up and down in order to let the top down. So I have replaced it, and this is how it's working. So the trunk lid goes up, and then these things are about to move all the way down like they're supposed to. The other one did not do that. It went down, but you see how it went right back up? It would always just stop. But everything is going down like it's supposed to. Now we're gonna let it back up. So when you're letting the top up, this is gonna move down. And then as the convertible top is coming up, you know, of course, give it a little second. The locks are gonna go in, and this is gonna move back up.